Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmat and my partner is Rafiq bin Rushdan. We are from section 4, group 8, and today I will talk about our class, which is practical welding. So my partner and I have decided to choose this metal grill window as in our room at our mahala as our welding joint. So for your information, the metal used is aluminium, and it uses metal and electric welding arc in every corner of this grill. Next, observation and dimension to follow. For the dimension, we use a protractor and a meter ruler as our measurement tools. And as you can see, for the protractor, we use it to measure the welding joint, just to make sure that it is 90 degree, and each of the metal is 45 degree. Next, for the meter ruler, we use it to measure the joint, the welding joint, the distance of the welding joint, which is 2.5 cm. The length of the welding joint, which is 2.5 cm. However, there are some defects in this welded area, and one of them is incomplete fusion. Incomplete fusion happens when a weld is continuous, in which fusion did not occur between weld metal and fusion faces, or at the corner of the metal. Next is overlap. It happens when the molten metal flow over the surface of the materials. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.